Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making sure your Lenovo is plugged in or has sufficient battery. This prevents interruptions during setup. Next, locate the Wi-Fi name and password so you don't pause the process. Click the network icon at the right end of the taskbar or press Windows plus it to open Action Center. This shows available networks. Once the list appears, you can immediately identify your SSID. Make sure airplane mode is off and Wi-Fi is enabled before moving on. You select your SSID in the network list and click Connect. This initiates the authentication step. When prompted, type the Wi-Fi password exactly as provided, observing case and special characters, because Windows will reject a mistyped key. If you want the laptop to join automatically next time, tick Connect automatically before finalizing. Once connected, Windows negotiates IP via DHCP. Wait a few seconds for the status to change to connect. You finish by verifying internet access, open a browser, or run a quick ping to 8 to confirm. If pages don't load, run the built-in Windows Network troubleshooter from Settings, Network, and Internet. It diagnoses common issues automatically. If the problem persists, disable and re-enable the Wi-Fi adapter or reboot the router. Make sure the wireless driver is current. Outdated drivers or an incorrect password are the most frequent causes of failed connections, so double-check those.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.